Church bells ring at your window, and I know that all of these things are surely found to be holy in the presence of the Lord. Tell me all that you're feeling, and I will believe every word, 'cause to think you would speak out of lies, baby, that just sounds absurd.